You already had index plus option charts view on Sahi, but you could only see one option at a time. During fast markets and expiry sessions, we realized that traders might want to see call plus put chart, call plus call chart, or even put plus put chart. Sometimes they even want to see same call option or put option across different time intervals. Hence, in order to solve for this, we have remastered dual charts on Sahi. Now you can view call plus put chart, call plus call chart, or put plus put chart together in one screen without switching. We have made it seamless to use this feature. Let's see how we can access it in Sahi Scalper mode. You enter Sahi Option Scalper. Now I am inside Sahi Option Scalper. Here, I am able to see the index plus call option viewed right now in front of it. I tap on the three dot that is available on the top right. Here, I can see layout selection. This will allow me to switch between index plus call or put chart or call plus put chart. Let's switch to call plus put view. The moment I switch to this view, as you can see, I can see a call option and put option right here. I can quickly select one option and trade directly, or I can quickly switch it to some different option. Basically, I can access any two options in this chart view.